Welcome to our next tutorial. To buy share token with fiat, visit Guardarian.com. Select a fiat currency and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. Before going forward, check the exchange details. Guardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and isn't charging you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions, and press the button to continue. Paste your SHR wallet address, and write your phone number for SMS verification. Enter the code next. The following step is the verification of your identity. Select your preferred verification method and take a picture of your document. Then goes a facial check. We need to know you are a real person. Turn on your camera and follow the written instructions. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. After this, you'll need to manually make the payment. Fill in your payment card and billing information. Do carefully check all the details before processing the payment. As soon as we receive your payment, the exchange will be performed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message in the comments.